Closures store references and not values. But what it actually means? Simple explanation: every time a new scope is created, it gets its own lexical environment, which has its environment record, that is all the variables and functions inside that scope, and a link to its outer lexical environment. So every scope has its own reference to its outer environment. So now a closure means a function bundled together with its lexical environment. This is a very well-known example where we have an outer function with a local variable count and an inner function using that variable, which will be returned by the outer function. Running this outer function will give us this result. This we are not seeing any error. Even if this function is destroyed, count variable is still alive. This is because inner function is still using this count variable. This inner function has its own environment record and a reference to its outer function's lexical environment, which makes access to this count variable possible. So anytime you see a function inside another function, know that it is forming a closure, and it will always remember the data of its outer function or scope even if it gets destroyed. Can be used when you want private variables. You need state that survive function execution, and can be used with event handlers and async functions. If you have any question related to lexical environment, closure, and scope, feel free to DM me and follow if you want to learn JavaScript under the hood.